until you find out why certain things that were so important and so solid in your life have turned into dust, dust, dust. Just like that!
But such an attitude will be awfully stressing for everyone involved.
Your parents, your husband or wife, your friends, your children, your sister!
My sister? My sister? But I don't have a sister.
Everyone is finishing chapters, turning over new leaves, getting on with life, and they will all feel bad seeing you at a standstill. Things pass, and the best we can do is to let them really go away.
Go away?
Really go away. That is why it is so important
However painful it may be.
to destroy souvenirs. Give lots of things away to orphanages. Sell or donate the books you have at home. Everything in this visible world is a manifestation of the invisible world, of what is going on in our hearts. And getting rid of certain memories also means making some room for other memories to take their place.
Let things go.
Let things go!
Release them.
Release them! Detach yourself from them!
Nobody plays this life with markers.
So sometimes we win.
And sometimes we lose.
Do not expect anything in return.
Do not expect your efforts to be appreciated. Your genius to be discovered.
Your love to be understood. Stop! Stop turning on your emotional television to watch the same programs over and over again. The one that shows how much you suffered from a certain loss. That is only poisoning you. Nothing else. Nothing is more dangerous, dangerous, dangerous. Nothing is more dangerous than not accepting love relationships that are broken off. Work that is promised, but there is no starting date. Decisions that are always put off, waiting for the ideal moment. Before a new chapter is begun, the old one has to be finished. Tell yourself that what has passed will never, ever come back. Remember that there was a time when you could live without that thing or that person. Nothing is irreplaceable. A habit's not a need.
Hop, hop, hop.
Hop, 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 hop. Hop, 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 hop. This may sound so obvious. It may even be difficult, but it is very, very important. Closing cycles, closing cycles, closing cycles.
Not because of pride.
Incapacity or arrogance.
But simply because